Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add some sprites to your virtual museum project. So in my example, there's a bunch of code already because I've completed this project, and I've got a bunch of different sprites in here. So I've got some different Arapaho artifacts, some different Shoshone artifacts, and then I even have a sprite that just has a bunch of images from the Wind River Virtual Museum, which is a really cool website that you should check out. And we've even got some student submissions of some different artifacts, like different moccasins from different students on the Wind River Reservation. Okay, so that's awesome, but you might be creating a different virtual museum about something different. So let's talk about how you can add in some sprites to do that. All right, so the first thing that you'll see when you open up a project is you might have a cat right here, and you can actually get rid of the cat if you don't want to use them in your virtual museum and say goodbye, cat, by clicking on that little trash can, the delete button. And you can add in sprites down here. So the sprites are the things that can move and can speak and can do all kinds of cool things in your project. So I might go into here and say, I'm going to create a project, but there's too many sprites, so I'm going to narrow it down. I'm going to do a virtual museum about different animals, or I don't know, dance, or music. Yeah, let's do music because I have a background in music education. Okay, so I'm going to do a virtual museum about drums because I love to play the drums. Now, you'll notice on some of these costumes, they actually will move when you hover your mouse over it. So it shows you all the different variations of a costume just when you hover over it. So for example, when you go to dance, it shows you all the different dance moves, etc. Okay, so because I love playing the drums, I'm going to make a virtual museum about the drums. So all I have to do is just click on it, and then it adds the sprite into my project. And I can keep doing this for each one of the sprites that I want to add. So I want to add in a cymbal, and then maybe I want to add in a hi-hat. And then I'm going to add in one more. I'm going to add in, I don't know, a trumpet, because why not? Now, each one of these sprites has their own set of code that you will then use in your particular project. So for example, if I wanted to, on the drum kit, have it say hello when I click on it, that's going to be different than the cymbals and the trumpet. So every single one of these sprites has their own unique code to it because we want them to all do different things. So just know if you add in a new sprite and you had some code here and then you're like, oh no, my code is gone. That's okay. All you have to do is just simply click on it and you'll bring it back. So add some sprites to your particular project by going down here and clicking on choose a sprite and then picking some sprites for your virtual museum. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.